on budget lang po, sir.
Yes.
May we have your reaction dun sa pinay lang po na challenge before the Supreme Court ni former ES Vic Rodriguez. What do you think of this? Unconstitutional daw yung GAA.
Well, that I've read some of the filing, the complaint. Well, the Solzhen, of course, will be the ones who will argue for the government. And he tells me, Solzhen Maynard tells me that we are on a solid footing in terms of constitutionality. I don't know why they bothered to file that, because napakahirap ng kanilang assertion. It clearly doesn't. Well, anyway, it's not for me to make the argument. We'll let the Solzhen make the argument before the Supreme Court, and we're very confident that our case is strong.
Pero just in case lang, sir, na pumabor, not in favor of the admin, yung decision ng Supreme Court, meron po ba tayong contingency?
No. We shut down everything. I guess that's what they want. They want the government to cease working. So yung matuloy yung kanilang mga destabilization na ginagawa.